How to share FPL league code. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can share Fantasy Premier League code. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to fantasy.premierleague.com, or you can do this on the app itself. Now log into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on Leagues and Cups. Here you can find all of the leagues and cups. Now you want to find the league that you have created. Now tap on this gear icon. Remember that you can only share FPL league code if you have created the league. Now you will find your league code over here, or you can simply tap on invite players option. Now you can copy this auto join link. Once you have copied it, head over to any other platform such as Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and simply paste that code and you can send it in this way. You can also share the league code via email. For that, tap on share league code by email option. Now you want to add in the recipients over here. Type in the recipient's email address, then you can simply send this email in this way, and in this way you can easily share your FPL league code. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.